Hi guys. First of all, we're gonna talk about my hair right now. Don't judge it in this video. I just retwisted my locks and my hair is at a crazy awkward looking stage, and I just re-dyed it. So yeah, okay, what I'm going to do right now is one, I'm going to organize my kids' toys. I do that often. If you're not new to my channel, you know that. But I want to disinfect their toys as well. I do this maybe every 2 months or so. My kids are homeschooled, so like, well, my 5-year-old's not in school, my son's homeschooled, so they don't really go out anywhere, but they're still children, and I feel as though I just got real dark out of nowhere. Hold on. Okay. I just feel as though the toys need to be cleaned every so often. Usually I would just take all of their toys and dump it in my tub and with like some bleach and hot water and let them soak, and then rinse them off and let them dry out in my room. But that is not what I want to do today. I'm going to take some sanitizing spray. This is not like Lysol or anything, but it is sanitizing spray. 24-hour keeps killing 99% of bacteria for up to 24 hours. So I will be using that and spraying down their toys. Their stuffed animals, I will most likely throw those in the washer like I always do, just because I feel as though germs can get deeper inside the toys, well, the stuffed animals, and just hold on to germs and stuff like that. What I did not film yesterday is the fact that I had already did our bed linen, everything. I already stripped their beds, took their pillows, put those in the washer, everything. I did all of that yesterday, so that won't be in this video. But we are going to sanitize and organize their toys. Let's get that.
Icy, freeze, photo, please, no photos, no, G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the domain just whole team here, might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring, are you tough enough? Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble, cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey on bling and she freeze, photo, please, no photos, no, G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh, now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey on bling and she freeze, photo, please, no photos, no, G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's I got wifey on bling and she freeze, photo, please, no photos, no, G's, no, please, no photos. Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love.
So as you can tell, my daughter was right there watching me put the toys, like clean up the toys and everything. But I am not going to allow her to play with any of the stuff right now. So dark. Okay. Yes, I'm not going to allow her to play with any of the stuff right now because I want them to dry and like start actually disinfecting stuff for a little bit. So I'm going to cut the TV on in their room for her for a little bit while the toys do their thing. I have a little bit of our clothes in the washer, but whatever. Her doll baby stuff and some stuffed animals are in there. I won't put any of the stuffed animals in the dryer. I will leave them out to air dry in my room. And then once that's done, I will throw the rest of their stuffed animals in the washer. And I'll be back when I go to do that. So I went to go pull the stuffed animals out of the dryer and forgot to turn on the camera, so I thought about doing that. And as I pulled one out, it looks like I'm going to have to do some repairs on some stuffed animals. Hopefully this is the only one that I have to do repairs on, but let's get this stuff out of the washer.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Okay, so as I was taking the stuff out, I realized that this puppy, its tail came off. So I have to repair this for my daughter. This is something she got for Christmas. And also her neck. So that needs repaired too. So I'm gonna have to repair this before they go to bed. So let me get to that. Also her Vampirina's feet, they look really upset. Like, they just look sad. So I have to figure out how exactly I'm going to fix that. Maybe see if we have like some type of material to fix it. If not, I'll just have to sew it up. So let me fix this and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so Vampirina's fixed. see if it focus. Okay. Okay. So she's sewed up. This one doesn't really need sewed up like that, so I'll just let her go for right now. The dog, all sewed up here. Tail attached, all sewed up. I'm going to grab the stuffed animals out of the washer and make sure that none of them need repaired. Hopefully not, fingers crossed. And then my dryer's also done, so give me like a second. I'm editing, so just give me a second. Okay, so I have everything put away, nothing in the washer, nothing in the dryer. I'm just gonna keep this stuff here for right now, and hopefully it'll be dry by tomorrow. And I'll put all of that back and show you the final result of all of that. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'll turn on the camera again tonight. I'm not really sure. For right now, I'm going to sit back and watch my movie. I'm watching Waiting to Exhale. That's one of my favorite movies. So I'm going to finish my movie. And if I get back on tonight, you'll see me. If not, you'll see me tomorrow when I'm putting their stuffed animals away.
time. Just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I got a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Yes, I know how to window, cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she keep talking about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. I'm good, giving her compliments. I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying until the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits.
Hey guys, so I'm literally sitting here editing, and I realized that I never closed out this video. So after the kitchen, I turned off the camera and did all of the dishes off camera, and I just never turned it back on. So I'm closing out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration to sanitize your kids' toys and stuff. So please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.